Did you know that over 70% of app users churn within the first 90 days after downloading an app? In today's hyper-competitive digital landscape, simply launching an app is no longer a pathway to success. Many app creators struggle to attract enough users and, critically, to keep them engaged. With millions of apps vying for attention and the vast majority of users abandoning or uninstalling an app soon after downloading, it's essential to build a robust and strategic approach from the very beginning. To create a strong app marketing plan, it's vital to deeply understand your target users and what truly matters to them. Effective marketing doesn't just happen. It moves through distinct stages, from making people aware of your app to driving more downloads and nurturing long-term user retention. Each stage demands specific tactics and specialized tools designed to help your app cut through the noise and significantly expand its user base. Knowing your users and the market. Finding your main audience. Who is your app truly for? It's crucial to understand who will use your app. Developers should thoroughly consider their users' age, core interests, and the specific problems their app aims to solve. Actively listening to feedback and closely examining how users interact with the app can unveil their deepest needs and desires. A simple table can help you pinpoint your ideal users. Understanding your primary audience empowers developers to focus their marketing efforts and code updates on what genuinely resonates with users, leading to higher engagement and satisfaction. Studying similar apps, what are your competitors doing, and more importantly, what can you learn from them? Analyzing similar apps is paramount. This isn't about imitation, but studying their features, download trends, and user reviews. This analysis will illuminate what works effectively and what falls short, helping you identify market gaps and sidestep common pitfalls. This intelligence lets you make informed decisions regarding design, functionality, and crucial market positioning. For instance, if you're developing an OTT app, reviewing top streaming platforms can reveal how they handle user onboarding, content recommendations, offline viewing, or adaptive video quality for varying internet speeds. The development of over-the-top applications, in particular, demands meticulous attention to performance, device compatibility, and personalization. Likewise, when building a hotel management system, analyzing similar tools can highlight practical ways to manage bookings, streamline check-ins, or communicate with guests, all while ensuring the system remains intuitive for staff to use. By learning from what's already available and understanding how leading apps achieve success, you significantly reduce guesswork and build smarter from the outset. Looking at current market trends, market conditions are dynamic and can shift rapidly. Developers should consistently monitor the number of similar apps in the store, analyze download trends, and stay attuned to current user demands. Key factors to constantly watch: the total number of app downloads within your category, the average uninstall rate for similar apps, which can range from 25% to 70%, depending on the industry, highlights the urgency of retention strategies, popular keywords, and top searches within the App Store. Developers should also leverage robust analytics and feedback tools to discover which features users value most and to identify emerging trends early. This proactive approach helps adjust strategies swiftly, ensuring your app can truly stand out in an increasingly crowded market. Creating an effective app marketing approach. Setting clear targets and expectations. A strong app marketing plan begins with absolute clarity on what you intend to achieve. Marketers should ask themselves critical questions such as, who is the core audience we aim to reach? What specific measurable results are we targeting? How much growth or user retention is realistically achievable within a given time frame? Goals should be SMART: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, aiming to increase installs by 20% in the next 3 months, or to improve user retention to 40% after the first week. Clear targets empower everyone involved to measure progress accurately and know precisely when a strategy needs to be adjusted or refined. Example table: goals and KPIs, matching tactics to the user's experience. Every marketing tactic should align perfectly with where the user is on their app journey. Typically, there are 3 main stages in this journey: getting noticed, awareness, making potential users aware your app exists, getting users to install, acquisition, convincing interested users to download the app. Keeping users engaged, retention, ensuring users continue to use the app over time. To effectively match the right approach with the right stage, awareness. Focus on making the app easy to discover. This involves utilizing search engine optimization, SEO for your landing pages, strategic social media presence, and creating content that directly aligns with user interests and search queries. Acquisition. Employ both organic, free, and paid methods. This can include targeted App Store ads, social media campaigns, free trials, and compelling special offers designed to encourage downloads. Research shows that paid user acquisition can significantly boost initial installs, with some industries seeing cost per install CPI ranging from $0.50 to over $5, depending on the platform and targeting. Retention. Once a user has the app, ensure they have an incredibly smooth onboarding experience, continually provide value to keep them interested, and actively solicit and respond to their feedback. Quick tip list. Utilize a dedicated website or landing page for clear, concise app messaging. Select social media platforms that your target users already frequent and engage with. Explore influencer marketing for broad reach and authentic endorsements. Run engaging contests or promotions to acquire and activate new users. Encourage referrals by rewarding users who invite friends, leveraging existing user satisfaction. Employing tactics that precisely fit each step of the user's path leads to significantly better results and helps build stronger, more lasting relationships with your users. Raising app visibility. Building a strong app website or page. A dedicated website or landing page serves as a central hub, providing clear, compelling information about your app's features and core benefits. It should include simple calls to action or download buttons, making the installation process as frictionless as possible for users. Utilizing strong visuals, compelling screenshots, and concise key information helps visitors quickly grasp the app's value and understand the next steps. Using social media for promotion. Choosing social media channels that authentically match your app's audience helps forge genuine connections with potential and existing users. Sharing helpful tips, timely updates, and engaging valuable content encourages users to connect, share, and remain interested in your app. Consistency in posting and active community management are vital for keeping your app top of mind. Content plans and search engine tactics. Developing blogs, articles, and social media posts that genuinely answer user questions or solve their problems can attract a highly relevant audience actively searching for solutions. Strategically using the right keywords helps your app's website and associated pages rank higher in search results, making it much easier for people to discover your app organically when searching online. Content marketing can drive up to 3x more leads than traditional marketing and costs 62% less. Growing trust through guest articles. Publishing insightful and well-researched guest articles on reputable websites within your industry brings new, targeted visitors and significantly builds trust and authority. These articles typically link back to your app's page, introducing your app to new segments of people who might not have found it otherwise, while leveraging the credibility of the host site. Improving App Store presence. Utilizing highly focused keywords and crafting helpful, persuasive descriptions in your App Store listings will dramatically improve your app's discoverability. High ratings, consistent updates, and compelling screenshots also significantly encourage more downloads. This crucial process is known as App Store Optimization, ASO, and effective ASO can increase downloads by 10 to 20% by making your app more visible to relevant searchers. Teaming up with niche influencers. Partnering with influencers who are genuinely active and respected in your app's target market can help your app reach highly engaged audiences who trust these voices. Even micro-influencers, those with smaller but highly engaged followings, can have a profound effect if their audience perfectly matches your app's ideal users. Honest reviews or authentic demonstrations from influencers add a powerful layer of credibility and social proof. Reaching out to media and journalists, sending clear, concise, and newsworthy press releases and compelling story ideas to relevant media outlets can shine a much-needed spotlight on your app. Working with PR tools or services that connect brands with reporters can unlock significant opportunities for app coverage. Professional and strategic outreach ensures your app is presented in its best possible light to a wider audience. Applying for app recognition awards. Submitting your app for prestigious industry awards can help it stand out to both users and experts alike. Being nominated for or winning awards significantly enhances your application's reputation and perceived quality. Award badges and mentions can be proudly displayed on your app's website and store pages for extra impact and credibility, often leading to a surge in interest and downloads. Increasing app user downloads, launching targeted advertising campaigns, paid advertisements on platforms like TikTok, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, and Google are incredibly powerful tools for driving targeted traffic to your app. It's crucial to meticulously target ads to audiences most likely to download and consistently use your app. Ads should be designed to focus on one clear, simple action, such as getting users to install the app or sign up. Mobile ad spending is projected to reach over $360 billion globally by the end of 2025, underscoring the effectiveness and scale of this channel. Using data and tracking tools, robust analytics and measurement tools are indispensable for tracking precisely which marketing channels bring in the most valuable users. Having these tools in place makes it significantly easier to discern what works, what doesn't, and where to best allocate your marketing budget. Teams can confidently increase spending on successful channels and reallocate resources from underperforming ones. Example analytics table. Providing free access and useful features. A significant number of people expect to try an app for free before committing to a purchase or subscription. A well-designed free trial period or a freemium model gives users the chance to thoroughly explore your app and helps your team learn which features are most engaging and useful. These insights are invaluable for continually improving the app and clearly demonstrating its unique value proposition to potential users. Special deals and giveaways, running time-limited promotions, engaging contests, or offering attractive price discounts can effectively convert users who haven't yet committed. Teaming up with another business for a joint giveaway or utilizing specialized contest tools can help these campaigns run smoothly and extend their reach. Promotion examples: discounted subscription for the first month, free premium items or in-app currency for contest winners. Limited time in-app rewards for early adopters. Rewards for referrals and creating sharing loops. Referral programs powerfully leverage your existing user base by encouraging current users to invite friends, often by offering enticing rewards to both the referrer and the new user. Viral loops are created when users share the app, their friends download it, and then share it again, creating a rapid, self-sustaining chain of user growth. Data shows that referred customers have a 37% higher retention rate. Referral rewards might include bonus features or expanded access for both users and their friends, in-app currency or points, exclusive access to premium content or early feature releases, building trust with ratings and testimonials. Over 80% of users check reviews and ratings before downloading an app. Proactively asking users to leave feedback through well-timed in-app messages, push notifications, or email significantly boosts an app's reputation and perceived quality. Influencer endorsements and user testimonials also act as powerful social proof, further validating the app's value and trustworthiness. Ways to collect reviews. In-app pop-ups after a user successfully completes a key task or achieves a milestone. Follow-up emails specifically requesting honest feedback and ratings. Showcasing positive user testimonials and reviews on social media and your website. Improving user loyalty, first-time experience, onboarding. A positive first impression is critical for long-term engagement. A seamless and intuitive onboarding process makes new users feel immediately welcome and confident. The app should be simple to navigate from the very beginning. It's highly beneficial to guide users step by step, clearly demonstrating how key features work and highlighting immediate value. Example: apps like eBay allow users to quickly search and explore products without forcing them to sign up right away, reducing friction. Their layout is clear and user-friendly, focusing directly on what users want to do: browse, buy, sell. A user-friendly start significantly reduces confusion and frustration. Users are far more likely to continue using an app if they quickly grasp its value and find it easy to navigate from day one. Winning return campaigns, re-engagement. Users sometimes forget to come back after their initial visit. Strategic re-engagement campaigns are a powerful way to bring them back. This involves sending timely and relevant push notifications, personalized emails, or in-app messages that highlight useful features, new content, or compelling updates. A company like Grubhub, for example, expertly uses data about users' past orders to send personalized messages that feel genuinely relevant, such as, "Craving sushi tonight?" This keeps users engaged and consistently reminds them of the app's convenience and value. Effective re-engagement campaigns can boost monthly active users by up to 10% or more. Listening and responding to user input. Users want to be heard, and ignoring their feedback is a recipe for churn. Make it incredibly easy for them to share their thoughts and experiences about the app. Utilize various channels such as in-app surveys, dedicated feedback forms, or direct support messages. Ways to use feedback: promptly responding to feedback, acknowledging issues, and implementing changes based on what users say builds immense trust and loyalty, significantly increasing the likelihood of them returning. Optimizing app marketing ROI. To truly get the most from your app marketing efforts, it's paramount to connect every action directly to clear, measurable goals. Strategically leveraging the right social media platforms and consistently sharing valuable content can dramatically boost brand awareness and attract relevant users. Creating a compelling website or landing page effectively communicates your app's value and serves as a direct conduit for users to download it. Utilizing targeted paid ads on robust platforms like TikTok, Meta, and Google is instrumental in reaching the right users at scale. Keeping ad messages simple, compelling, and focused on a single action, such as installing the app, can significantly improve conversion rates and overall results. Investing in powerful tools that measure app performance and meticulously track user behavior makes it much easier to identify what is working effectively and where to strategically allocate your budget for optimal return. Effective tactics for better ROI. Content marketing. Consistently create helpful articles, engaging blog posts, and shareable content on topics your users genuinely care about. App Store optimization. ASO. Implement the right keywords, compelling descriptions, and high-quality visuals to maximize visibility and downloads in app stores. Influencer partnerships. Collaborate with trusted voices and influencers within your app's niche to authentically reach new and engaged audiences. Referral programs. Incentivize your existing users to become advocates, offering rewards for successful referrals and creating powerful viral growth loops. Offering a simple trial period or providing valuable free features can not only help attract new installs, but also provide crucial data about initial user engagement. Running exciting contests, offering appealing discounts, and proactively building social proof, such as positive ratings and reviews, are all vital tactics. Ultimately, keeping users engaged with intuitive onboarding guides, consistent, valuable updates, and well-executed re-engagement campaigns is key to maximizing long-term retention. Critically, it is imperative to consistently listen to user feedback and continuously improve the app based on their evolving needs. Every strategic step outlined above directly contributes to a stronger return on your marketing investment. Navigating the complexities of app marketing, from initial awareness to sustained loyalty, requires a sophisticated and data-driven approach. When you're ready to ensure your app doesn't just launch, but truly thrives and achieves its maximum potential, partnering with a team that deeply understands these dynamics can make all the difference.